In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a folder from your PC and onto OneDrive. This simple process ensures that your files are safely backed up to the cloud, where they're accessible from anywhere with just an internet connection. Let's jump right in. Our first step begins with opening File Explorer on your computer. File Explorer is that handy tool allowing you to view and manage all your files and folders. You can easily open it by clicking on the folder icon, which is usually located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key and type File Explorer into the search bar to bring it up. Once File Explorer is open, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the drives and folders that are available on your PC. Now, the next thing we need to do is locate the folder that you want to move to OneDrive. If you already know exactly where it is, you can simply navigate through your directories until you find it. However, if you're a bit unsure, you can always use the search function within File Explorer by typing the name of the folder into the search box located in the upper right corner. This will help you find it more efficiently. Once you've located your desired folder, what you'll want to do next is select it by clicking on it once. This action highlights the folder and lets you perform functions such as copying, moving, or deleting. With your folder selected, we're now going to move it into the OneDrive folder on your PC. If you don't see OneDrive listed on the left sidebar, first ensure that you're signed into your Microsoft account and that OneDrive is indeed set up on your system. Assuming everything is set up correctly, you should see a OneDrive icon in the left pane of File Explorer. To transfer the folder, simply click and hold the selected folder with your mouse, then drag it over to the OneDrive folder. Once you've done this, release your mouse button to drop the folder into OneDrive. Keep in mind that this action will copy your files over to the cloud, a process that might take some time depending on the size of the folder and your internet speed. It's essential to be patient here and avoid interrupting the upload. After you've successfully dragged and dropped the folder into OneDrive, you'll want to verify that it has transferred correctly. Open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. You'll need to log in using your Microsoft account, if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, go to your OneDrive directory and look for the folder you just transferred. Check to ensure that all files are present and accounted for. This verification step ensures that your important data is safely stored in the cloud and ready for access whenever you need it. By following these steps, you'll have your files backed up to OneDrive, providing you with security, convenience, and peace of mind.